hold up, guys. Sorry for the hold up. We're just gonna be starting. I have a lot of guns. We used to have a lot of money, but I spent it. I have level 62. Well, let's begin the video. I'm not gonna be talking forever. Okay, bye-bye. I'll be in the video soon. Talking. Bye. Not bye. I don't know. I'm stupid. Voice thing instead of like well, I do. So we're gonna begin the game. I'm not like I'm just watching it right now. What happens going on right now? I'm watching the video right now while I talk. So killing everyone. Oh, I died on that one. I guess I'm just watching myself play. Oh, I'm gonna die in the game. He's out there. There's hundreds of them in there. Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I know it's like a long video. That's just my mom watching. That's like people talking. And they're busy. And they also have my sister, baby. Because you probably want to. Bye guys. Bye bye.
Oh my God.
Hi guys, I told you I would be in first place for a few minutes. And I just died. I'm at 28 kills. And I just made some nice sound effects. Hopefully you guys didn't get annoyed of it or you guys did like it. I can't bet you're gonna watch this video as much. You don't want to have it, get bored of it. I can bet you won't. If the comments are on, hopefully they probably are on anyway. There's no face shown. So hopefully, please, I don't know. Like and subscribe, please. Not trying to beg it. It'd be great to get some videos with 95 views like the other one did. Or like at least 10 or 5, at least some few views. So bye guys, bye bye.